The next bit of the project is going to be cleaning up this pulley guard. So I'll go ahead and pop this in the sandblaster and take all the paint off. On the bottom of this casting, there's a couple little drops of paint that dried real thick, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off with the little die grinder here with a little wheel brush. I'll clean this up with some acetone. Now for a coat of primer. Now a coat of primer for the other side. And now a coat of enamel paint. Then I'll just paint the other side here. And now we're going to clean up these pulleys. Really, they're just kind of dirty, so I'm going to see if I can get away with just cleaning them up in my parts washer first. Well, the parts washer didn't clean these up too good, so I'm going to go ahead and hit them in my blasting cabinet for a bit and see if I can clean them up a little better. And that seemed to clean these up much better. And I'll just clean up a little bolt that holds on the belt guard. I'm just going to install these pulleys back on with some fresh grease. I'm having a bit of trouble getting these set screws in all the way, so I'm going to go ahead and clean these out with a tap here. I'll give this another shot here. Well, it's become obvious that I have this mount on upside down, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and flip it back over. Okay, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit to where it's nice and level. Okay, that looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and bolt that down. I'll go ahead and throw the belt on here. And I can put the belt cover on. And finally I'll paint in the name here. Well, that pretty much completes the head unit here, and it's so exciting to have it all together. I'm going to go ahead and jump ahead a few steps and just hook up a little temporary plug just to see how it works. I'll put in a real plug and a real switch later, but until then, let's just take a look. So I don't know if you can tell, but this is really quiet, really smooth. I'm really happy with that. Well, unfortunately the table is still frozen in place, so I can't really move it up to drill anything, but I'll put a couple spacers here and I'll just try it out actually drilling something. Well, I couldn't really be happy with this. It's absolutely smooth, both in how it spins and how the quill works. So it seems to have plenty of power, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, that should complete the head unit here. I'll eventually start working on the rest of the body, but yeah, thanks for watching. This is pretty good, going along pretty well.